If your iPhone is experiencing Bluetooth pairing issue where it's unable to connect to Bluetooth device, there could be several factors causing the problem. In this video, there are some steps to fix Bluetooth pairing issue on an iPhone. The very first step is launch your settings on your device. From here, tap on the Bluetooth and toggle off your Bluetooth and again try to toggle it on. Do this step for at least 3 or 4 times. Once you do that, you also need to make sure that Bluetooth device you are trying to connect to is in pairing mode. Once you make sure that, go back to the settings page and then check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem is still not solved, then launch your settings again and then tap on General. Once you're on your General homepage, you have to simply tap on Software Update and check if your software is up to date or not. If you see Update Now button, then simply hit on that to update your system. Once you do that, you have to reset your iPhone. To reset it, simply hit on the Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and do reset all settings. Now you have to enter your passcode and then you are good to go. Once you follow all of this step, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.